Good morning, Team Scoot style. So today we are going to speak about those superpowers Swift gives you out of the box. So I could have called it like that also, but superpowers appeals more to me. So you can, to start, write server code on top of the Swift standard library. The Swift standard library is basically a cross-platform port of Foundation. So let's image that simple model representing a French key talk with a simple name and its date. By adding a simple conformance to Codable, you get some really good things, like the JSON representation for free using JSON encoder. And if you add the date encoding strategy, you get the ISO standard representation also for free. But I just want to warn you here, this particular API wasn't available on Linux a year ago. So you probably want to check the current implementation status of Foundation here. But speaking of codable JSON stuff, we could talk about server-side Swift. Today, the two major frameworks are Vapor and Kitura. Vapor is backed by Qtheory, which is a company made by its core contributors, and with a really, really huge community around it. And Kitura, which is backed by IBM. You may heard about it already. During the next example, we will focus on Vapor, mainly because this is the one I use every day, but all features applies to both. So you can use standard server services with Swift ease of use. So if we take our latest example, we can now store it on a database services, cache some data using Redis, for example, or even manage some media-related stuff using the S3 storage on Amazon. So to store your model, you just have to add a PostgreSQL model conformance and just make your ID optional, since it won't be always inserted or fetched from DB, and that's it. You just have to add a migration conformance to create a table and manage data automatically on the Postgres database. To query it, it's that simple. You just call a query stuff on the tag type and then requesting all of them. And to paginate a query, it's that simple also. You just have to encapsulate the paginated protocol around. Of course, you can do all of these powerful queries. So in this example, I do a search of all of the Robert's occurrence of tools with the pictures, and they're sorted by creation date. If we do a create example of our talk, you can do media management like that. So here, I just uploaded the image to AWS S3 using a simple upload method on top of the storage object. If you get an error or something, Swift will handle that. So to conclude, you can write server-side code on top of Foundation. You have support for databases like PostgreSQL, MySQL, etc. You can do Redis for caching, and most of the common third-party services are already supported. I strongly advise you to see this talk by Tom Doran, where he just do the state-of-the-art of the current Swift server status. And that's it for the first speed. Thank you.
Thank you.